Good morning! Attend kami sa birthday ni Sevi. Sevi's birthday, anak ni pamangkin ko, si Tantan. At ang outfit namin, ang team ng birthday niya ay cowboy. See? I'm a cowboy girl! Gaganapin ang birthday ni Sevi. Happy birthday, Sevi! Sa KFC na
Kenny Rogers!
ay Kenny Rogers of Centrix ba? Centrix? Centris! Papunta na kami. Pero medyo late pa kami. 2 lang ang usapan pero 2 lang ang time. But it's 2:03. Laika! Mga boy. Si Raika tahimik lang siya. The cowgirl. The cowgirl and the cowwoman. Cowboy. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hi! Nasa si Kim? Dayo. Si HC ya diri mo na? Hi si Jay. Picture ka na. Hi! Nasa si Kim? Deo. Si HC yan din mo, da? Hi, si Jay. Si Boy Prophet. 1, 2, 3.
Yung pinakamalakas at pinakamasayang kakanta ng birthday song magkakaroon po kayo ng prizes. Kaya kailangan lalakasan nyo. Alright? Meron po tayong happy birthday song dito. Sabay-sabay tayong kakanta. In the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and music. Everybody, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, number 9 is magiging energy. Tapos malakas ang palakpakan. Go! Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Alright, thank you so much, Auntie. Sa shop. Happy birthday, Sebi. Go!
Happy birthday, Sebi.
Bigyan natin ng pinakamalakas. Go!
Happy birthday, Sebi.
Palakpakan naman po. Sebi, thank you so much. Minsan natin, Sebi, na po tayo po. Sino na tayo. And dahil na
dito sa first birthday ni Seb. So, thank you very much.
Sa lahat ng umattend dito sa first birthday ni Seb. So alam namin meron pa kayong, yung iba may mga prior commitments pa, pero nagbigay ng time. So thank you very much for celebrating with us.
alright, palakpakan naman po natin si Mommy and si Daddy. Si Mami daw po muna kasi sabi po nila, ladies and gentlemen, na po kayo next party game. And alright, for the candle blowing ceremony, Mrs. is going to sing a happy birthday song again. Lahat po ng gusto ng picture souvenir, lahat po ng gusto ng picture souvenir, dito po. Mas malakas! Happy okay, one more time. Gusto ko may energy. Tapos malakas ang palakpakan! Happy birthday to you. Louder! Yung mas malakas! Happy birthday! Go!
Happy birthday, Sebi.
Ako ang gusto ko yung pinakamalakas. Go!
Sana lumaki siya.
Perfect, T-Boy. Alright? Then, after na po kumain,
Okay, alright, look here guys.
alright.
One
Yung
more.
table number 3 is my ready. My
Walkie
ready.
guys, walkie po, walkie.
One, two, three. Kaya na kumain. Ha? Wow!
Waki guys! Waki po!